Sought after Havenwood model at the Crest in Lad Park West / panoramic views from the screened-in back porch west / outdoor gas fireplace. 4-bedroom / 3 full and 2 half baths home has open floor plan. Over $150,000 in builder upgrades / post-close enhancements. Gourmet kitchen west / quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, farmer sink, DBL ovens, gas cooktop, pull-out shelves and pantry. Beam ceilings, built-ins and stone gas fireplace in family room. Hardwoods on the first floor including owner's suite west / 2 walk-in closets and upgraded bathroom west / DBL vanities, shower, soaking tub and linen closet and a second bedroom west / ensuite bath. All closets are walk-in. Walkout floored attic storage space.